Hey there, I'm reviewing this 5.3 large reusable coffee tea. Filter is an excellent tool for anyone looking to enjoy traditional Thai-style coffee or tea at home. The cloth filter is sturdy, reusable, and easy to clean, making it an eco-friendly alternative to disposable filters. Its size is perfect for brewing multiple servings, and the handle is well designed for a comfortable grip during use. I love how it enhances the flavor of the coffee and tea, giving it a rich, smooth taste that's hard to replicate with other brewing methods. It's also versatile. You can use it as a pour-over coffee dripper or for steeping loose tea leaves. The wide opening ensures no spills, and the cloth effectively filters out fine grounds or tea particles without clogging. This is a must-have for anyone who enjoys authentic Thai-style beverages or wants to explore a unique brewing method. It's durable, practical, and adds a touch of tradition to your daily coffee or tea ritual. Highly recommend it for coffee enthusiasts and tea lovers alike.